Hello devs, back again with another 2-minute Tools and Tips Tuesday. Today we're going to take a look at live templates that we can use to quickly print out log statements. Now typing in log.d, log.e, all the other variants, it's something that we don't always use a lot, but when we do use it, we tend to use it quite a bit, and it becomes kind of a pain to have to type that out every time. So we'll take a look at the live templates that are available for us to make this process a little bit easier.
So let's start off with a little bit about what live templates are. A live template is a bit of code that can be auto-generated when we enter in an abbreviation and then hit Tab or Enter. So in this case, we're going to look at some live templates that are available for logging. If we start typing log, we'll see 5 commands popped up. These are the live templates for logging available within a Java activity. If we select one of these, we'll see that some logging code is inserted for us. This time, if we type log I, we'll see that a log.i statement is added. We can also do log m, which will insert a log.d expression, as well as automatically logging out any of the method arguments as well, so that we get the complete state of that method. We can also use log_r, which will log the result of a method. So in this case, if we type log_r and hit enter, we get the name of the method with returned : and then a space for us to enter the return value of that method. However, this live template can be even more useful depending on how we write our method. So let's refactor this method to return a local variable instead of the value directly. So we'll create a local variable to hold the return value. We'll return that variable. Now when we type log_r and hit enter, we're given a choice of which variable to populate in that log statement. Now finally, we can use live templates for logging to make logging out exceptions a bit easier. So if we have a try catch and we're catching some exception here, we could do log_e, which will automatically generate a log.e command and give us the space to print out the exception value. And there we have a few live templates to make logging a bit easier.
All right, that's it. Hopefully next time you have to log something, it'll be a little bit more painless. Thanks for watching.